Afternoon YouTube, Old School Farmer here. I think we're going to start picking back up on the videos, although it's kind of an odd time to do it because tonight is the first snowfall. That's right, you heard me, very first snowfall. So, ready for that, not really. Four-wheel drive on the truck's still not working, so we'll get that situated. I don't know if I'll film that or not, but I believe I owe you guys a few cold starts. So, the other barn right there has got the no ventilation on it quite yet, so this barn does. So there's a few videos. I gotta move the combine today, so we'll film that one for you, and we'll start this because it needs to be started before the winter. And I don't know if we'll start that or not, but we'll see. So I guess all we can do is get to it. So while the barn is still somewhat manageable, we are going to come over here and turn so you guys can see everything. We're going to turn the battery on. I know this is a nice coat, but you guys probably don't recognize me in a nice coat, but it is what it is. So we're going to turn the key on. There you go. This is a 4-cylinder Kubota. She ain't very smoky. That one's the smoky one. It is currently 30 degrees out. What was that? Oh no. Things are rattling off. It's cold. Okay, we got oil moving. That's what the idea was. And she's dead. Okay. The idea was just to get some oil moving. Now we're on to the monster. This is a 6-cylinder International Harvester engine. I don't remember what the cubic displacement was, but she is a cold-blooded monster. She doesn't like to be started in the cold. Well, she doesn't like the cold, period. I don't blame her. I'm just like it. Anyway, let's see if I can position you guys without running the risk of dropping my phone here, because when it starts it creates like a crap ton of vibrations. Let's see, I want to get this on film too, so there's no way for me to do this. I should have had it done yesterday but yesterday was warmer, so there wouldn't have been no point to doing it. I don't know, we'll figure this out as we go, because this is a clutch system. So I have to push the clutch in order to do that, or in order to start it. Even though it's hot. Can you guys see the muffler? Well, you'll see it here in a second. Alright, we're going to turn it on. Let her prime up. She doesn't have any preheat. starting to get smoky, so let's move this thing. I don't know if it's gonna move. Liking it. Alright, well, we got her moved. Alright, now it's moved. Okay. Now let's listen to it. And the beast dies. This thing is brilliant. Well, at least the engine's brilliant. If this combine, if the rotor or anything ever dies in this combine, that engine's coming out and going in a truck. Love the way that thing starts when it's cold. So, this thing doesn't look like it's gonna start. If the combine was puffing like that, I doubt that this thing's gonna start. No, that's wet. Why is that wet? Oh, tighten some hose clamps, that'll fix her. Anyway, blinding light. I don't know how many times I gotta do that until I figure out to shut it off. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Probably a few more projects coming up here soon, but give me some project ideas and we'll get them done. I think my next video here will be educational, for a change, just a little bit. That was sarcasm. So, I think my next video is going to be something along the lines of the way that diesel engines, the old diesel engines worked, and as far as what the risks were. I'm not going to give too many hints away because I'm working really hard on this video, so looking forward to posting it and see your guys' reaction. But anyway, thanks. I think that's all I had to say. Anyway, it won't be like that. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.